guys, welcome back into our Better Than One TV, and you're with me, Juju. And today we are going to be unboxing an Ella Glamper. And while we are doing that, just watch the end of the video. And I got this from a local Target. Thank you. So now let's get the unboxing. Now we're just unboxing it. It's really hard, but I pre-did it before, so it would be easier. But now I'm so excited that I'm getting it out. And I got this from Christmas, as you can already see. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just opening up the bag, and I think I really like the pink. Now we just have these. And here's the makeup. So cute. And it does come with a palette. I don't know if the palette will open. I think it will. Gotta figure out how to open this part. Yep, it does open. There's no mirror, but it does open. It has light pinks. So you can just put it here somewhere. And then, oh wait, no, I'm gonna put that in a drawer, so I'm gonna have to put that right there. And it comes with a little lipstick, and the lipstick can go anywhere you put it, but I'm gonna put it in here. And then brushes. Okay, so here are the hangers that really match the color of the Glamper, and I really like that too. But now, as you can see, all the stuff, well, most of the stuff, and so as you can see, there is plates, food, a TV, and all the stuff that you need.